Minister, you fought through this House a very important loan agreement for about 150 million United States dollars from the Indian Exim Bank for the agricultural mechanization equipment services centers across all districts in the country. I know the challenges that we went through, but can you address us on the status of the implementation of this very important program for rural agriculture? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. In fact, I inherited this agreement between the Exim Bank of India and the government of Ghana, and it had been in the works for 4 years. We were hoping that within the first year of our administration, we could conclude on the Indian facility and have available to our farmers the machinery that we so desperately need. Unfortunately, I found that it was a very long process. We are just coming to the end of that arrangement where we are signing. Last year, I think in July, our Minister for Finance signed with the Exim Bank of India representative in West Africa. And even after that, all kinds of procedures have to go through. I'm happy to report that we are hoping before the end of this year, 2021, we'll start receiving the items from India. We heard from Honorable Haruna how desperate we are for harvesting machinery and others. And we really need this equipment to help our farmers in agriculture in Ghana. So we are very hopeful that before the end of the year, we will start receiving the item. But before then, for the interest of this committee, the last tranche of the Brazilian facility has now been approved by the government of Brazil, and hopefully before the major season in the north, in around May, June, we should start receiving machinery from India for the same purpose. So yes, we have $150 million worth of farm machinery coming from India, and we have $33 million worth of farm machinery coming from Brazil. Between the two, we should address adequately the issue of supply of farm machinery to our farmers in order to sustain the growth which has started in this country in the last 4 years. Thank you.